Welcome. From me is an LG G8X, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So I'll start off by opening up Settings, and from here let's find Storage, tap on our SD card, disregard whatever pops up here, at least that's just for me, and tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings where you will find the Format option. So tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove everything that is on that card. That will basically include photos, videos, whatever the phone saved on it, and whatever you have saved on it. And if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, tap on Format, the process will begin, and it only takes like 10 seconds, if not less. And there we go, it's already finished. Tap on Done, and the card is immediately ready to be used. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.